You can spend 20 years taking care of your face. And then someone takes a photo, a wedding, a graduation, a dinner, and you see your hands in it. Your face looks the way you work for it to look. Your hands look older than you expected. Most women treat aging hands like dry hands. That is the mistake. We compared 7 of the most popular hand creams against 5 criteria. One clear winner, starting with number 7. The 5 criteria: anti-aging mechanism, barrier repair, dark spot support, texture for crepey skin, and daily usability. Starting with number 7. Before the ranking, one thing worth understanding about why hands age the way they do. Dry hands feel tight. Aging hands look thin. The distinction matters because those two problems require different solutions. Dry hands need moisture. Aging hands need UV protection, collagen support, renewal, and barrier repair. Most hand creams were designed for dry hands. They were never designed for aging ones. Hands are one of the most sun-exposed sites on the body, including through car windows, which block UVB, but allow UVA, the wavelength primarily responsible for collagen breakdown and pigmentation. Most women apply sunscreen to their face every morning and never think about their hands. Every dermatologist in the research behind this comparison said the same thing about that. Number 7. L'Occitane 20% Shea Butter Hand Cream. Around $34. This is the hand cream women buy as a gift and keep for themselves. The one in the gift set at the holidays. The one that genuinely makes hands feel soft immediately after use. It has a cult following for a reason. The formula is built around 20% organic shea butter from Burkina Faso, supplemented with honey extract, sweet almond oil, and coconut oil. The texture is rich without being greasy. It absorbs well. The fragrance is pleasant and distinctive. For women whose primary concern is dry, rough hands that need daily comfort, this formula genuinely delivers. The gap for aging hands: the formula does not contain retinol. There is no AHA. No niacinamide for dark spots. No urea for crepey texture. No documented active ingredient targeting the 4 signs of hand aging: spots, crepiness, thinning skin, loss of volume. L'Occitane hand cream makes aging hands feel better. It does not address what makes them look older. At $32, you are paying for an exceptional sensory experience and a genuinely effective moisture product. What you are not paying for is anti-aging. The next one costs less than 1/6 of this, and it has the same limitation. Number 6. Neutrogena Norwegian Formula Hand Cream. Fragrance-free. Around $5 to $7. Every dermatologist who has ever treated severely dry or cracked hands has recommended this cream or something like it. The concentrated glycerin formula creates a moisture seal on the skin surface that genuinely lasts through hand washing. It is what it is, and what it is happens to be excellent for what dry hands need. For aging hands, the limitation is precisely the same as the L'Occitane above it. The formula addresses moisture, not aging. No retinol, no AHA, no dark spot ingredient. The skin on aging hands is not just dry, it has thinned, lost collagen, developed pigmentation from decades of UV exposure, and developed a crepey texture from slowed cell turnover. Glycerin addresses none of that. It keeps the skin from feeling tight. That is not the same as keeping it from looking old. The next one is the go-to product for women with severely cracked, damaged hands. It is extraordinary for that problem, and it has nothing to do with aging hands. Number 5. O'Keeffe's Working Hands Hand Cream. Around $8. There is a specific type of woman who keeps this on her kitchen counter. She works with her hands. Gardening, cooking, dishes, her hands crack in winter. They hurt. She has tried every drugstore cream, and nothing lasts. Then someone recommends O'Keeffe's, and it actually works. The formula creates a concentrated occlusive seal on the skin, allantoin, glycerin, dimethicone, for women with severely dry, cracked, or damaged hands. This is genuinely one of the most effective drugstore products available. It is not marketing. It earns its reviews. For aging hands, the problem is the same problem we keep encountering. This formula was built for dryness, not aging. The texture that works so effectively as a barrier also sits on the surface rather than penetrating it. There is no retinol, no AHA for dark spots or texture, no barrier ceramides, no urea for crepey skin renewal. The 4 signs of aging hands, dark spots, crepey texture, thinning skin, loss of volume, are not caused by dryness. They are caused by UV damage, collagen loss, and slowed cell turnover. O'Keeffe's Working Hands is the right product for the wrong problem. The next one is the first in this comparison that begins to understand the difference. Number 4, Gold Bond Age Renew Creep Corrector Hand Cream. Around $8 to $9. The first 3 products in this comparison treat hands that hurt. Gold Bond Creep Corrector is the first product that treats hands that look old. That distinction is why it ranks higher. The formula contains hydroxyethyl urea, a urea derivative with documented skin softening and mild renewal properties, alongside sodium lactate, hyaluronic acid, and a vitamin blend. Fragrance-free. Dermatologist tested. Specifically designed and marketed for crepey skin on hands and arms. Gold Bond named the problem and built a formula around it. In Amazon reviews from women over 60, the pattern is consistent. They describe improvement in the crepey texture on the back of their hands and arms. Not the dramatic reversal of years of sun damage, but real, measurable smoothing of the texture that makes aging hands look papery. The limitation, the urea concentration, is not disclosed. Sodium lactate is a mild humectant, present, but at gentler concentrations than a therapeutic lactic acid treatment. The formula addresses crepey texture partially. It does not address dark spots, does not contain retinol, and does not have the documented renewal mechanism that the top 2 products in this comparison bring. For $8, Gold Bond Crepe Corrector is the best drugstore entry into the aging hands category. The next product is where the retinol conversation starts. Quick pause. After researching these products, one observation kept coming up. Most women are buying hand creams based on what the label says about moisture, and aging hands are not a moisture problem. I put together a free CleanShelf guide with the 5 ingredient patterns I now check before buying any hand or anti-aging product. Link is in the description. It's free. The next 3 products are where the gap between moisture and actual aging care becomes most clear. Number 3, Beauty Pie Super Retinol Anti-Aging Hand Cream. Price varies by membership, typically in the low to mid-20s for members, higher without. Beauty Pie was founded on one idea, that the same factories producing luxury skincare also produce Beauty Pie, and the markup between what it costs to make and what luxury brands charge is indefensible. The Super Retinol Hand Cream is their application of that idea to aging hands. The formula contains encapsulated retinol, a delivery system that releases retinol gradually rather than all at once, which reduces the irritation risk that makes retinol on hands complicated. Alongside the retinol, niacinamide for dark spots, hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and a blend of skin conditioning agents. Fragrance-free, formulated specifically for hands. The retinol addresses cell turnover and collagen support. The niacinamide addresses pigmentation. The encapsulation reduces the irritation risk that makes standard retinol difficult to use on hands that are washed repeatedly throughout the day. This is the first formula in this comparison with a documented active ingredient targeting the specific signs of aging that affect hands. Most women do not notice their hands aging gradually. They notice it all at once. A photograph, a mirror in bright light. The moment they realize their hands look like they belong to someone older than they feel. A retinol product specifically designed for hands addresses that moment at the cellular level, not by adding moisture, but by accelerating the renewal process that slows with age. The limitation is practical. Beauty Pie sells through a membership model. The price varies between $20 and $35 depending on your subscription status, and the brand is significantly less widely available than the products around it in this ranking. For women already in the beauty pie ecosystem, this is an excellent formula. For women who want to walk into Target and pick something up, the next two products are more accessible. Number 2. CeraVe Therapeutic Hand Cream, around $10 to $13. There is a moment many women over 60 describe, the point where their hands start to feel as fragile as they look. The skin tears more easily. It bruises from minor contact. It no longer bounces back the way it did. That is not just dryness. That is the skin barrier breaking down progressively with age, and no amount of occlusive cream reverses it. CeraVe was built by dermatologists around one insight, that ceramides are the structural lipids the skin barrier uses to hold itself together, and that as the skin ages, it loses them. The therapeutic hand cream delivers ceramide NP, ceramide AP, and ceramide EOP, the specific ceramide combination found in the skin's own barrier structure, alongside hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. The MV-E delivery technology releases these ingredients continuously over 24 hours rather than in a single dose. Fragrance-free, paraben-free. National Eczema Association accepted. The niacinamide addresses dark spots directly, one of the 4 signs of aging hands and the one most women notice first. The ceramide system addresses the barrier fragility that makes aging hands look thin and translucent. The hyaluronic acid addresses hydration. For a single $12 formula, the coverage of aging hand concerns is genuinely broad. CeraVe is owned by L'Oréal. The same parent company owns La Roche-Posay, Lancôme, and Kiehl's. One building. Different decisions about what each customer needs and what the formula should actually do. The gap versus the winner, CeraVe Therapeutic Hand Cream does not contain retinol. For women who want the most documented collagen support mechanism available over the counter, the ingredient every dermatologist in this comparison cited as the most evidence-based option for reversing photo-aging on hands, the winner adds that mechanism to everything CeraVe brings. No sponsorships. No brand deals. Now the other side. Number 1. Necessaire the Hand Retinol. Around $38. The goal is not younger-looking hands overnight. It is looking down at your hands and feeling like they still belong to you. Most hand creams were designed for dry hands. The winner was designed for aging ones. Necessaire built their entire brand around one idea, that body care should use the same evidence-based ingredients that facial skincare uses. The hand retinol is their specific answer to the question every dermatologist referenced in this comparison kept returning to: what single ingredient has the deepest clinical evidence for reversing photo-aging? The formula: 0.25% pure encapsulated retinol, a disclosed concentration, which immediately separates this from every other product in this comparison that contains retinol without telling you how much. 5% AHA, combining glycolic acid and mandelic acid for dual pathway exfoliation of the dead surface cells that make aging hands look papery and dull. 10 peptides, documented collagen signaling compounds. Niacinamide, vitamin E amino acids, all in a serum and balm formula designed to be used at night and left on until morning. The encapsulation addresses the specific challenge of retinol on hands. Hands are washed repeatedly throughout the day, and standard retinol degrades with water contact and light exposure. Encapsulation stabilizes the retinol and controls its release, meaning the active ingredient reaches the skin at meaningful concentrations, even in a formula designed for daily use on hands. The 5 criteria: anti-aging mechanism. 0.25% retinol is the highest disclosed retinol concentration on this list. 5% AHA provides documented exfoliation and renewal. 10 peptides add a third collagen support mechanism. 3 separate pathways. No other product in this comparison combines all 3. Barrier repair. Encapsulated delivery protects the formula integrity. Supporting ceramides and fatty acids reinforce the skin barrier alongside the active ingredients. Dark spot support, AHA. Exfoliation and niacinamide address pigmentation through complementary mechanisms. The retinol adds a third mechanism for evening skin tone. Texture for crepey skin, 5% AHA. At a meaningful concentration is the documented mechanism for dissolving the bonds between dead surface cells that create crepey appearance. Lactic acid at this concentration is what dermatologists reach for. Daily usability, fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic. Designed for night use, which removes the photosensitivity concern from the retinol and AHA. One product replaces 3 separate targeted treatments. One honest note: this formula contains rosewater, which includes trace amounts of citronellol and geraniol, naturally occurring fragrance compounds. Necessaire discloses this on the label and on their website. For women with extreme fragrance sensitivity, this is worth knowing before purchasing. Against CeraVe at $12, CeraVe wins on barrier ceramides. Necessaire wins on the active anti-aging mechanism. Against Beauty Pie at $20 to $35, similar retinol logic, but Necessaire discloses the concentration and the AHA. Addition addresses crepey texture that retinol alone does not. Against Gold Bond at $8, different category of product. Gold Bond is the best option for crepey texture at a drugstore price. Necessaire is the most complete aging hands formula available without a prescription. There is a question that comes up in dermatology offices when patients ask about their hands. Is there one product that addresses all 4 problems, spots, texture, thinning skin, and barrier damage, without requiring a 4-step routine? The answer that keeps appearing is a formula with retinol, AHA, peptides, and barrier support. Necessaire the Hand Retinol is the only consumer product in this comparison that checks all 4. But the most surprising finding in this comparison was not a hand cream at all. Every dermatologist referenced in the research behind this comparison said the same thing when asked what single change would most improve how hands age: sunscreen. Daily sunscreen specifically applied to the back of the hands. Hands are one of the most UV-exposed sites on the body. They are exposed during every drive, every walk, every errand. Car windows block UVB, the burning wavelength, but allow UVA to pass through. UVA is the wavelength primarily responsible for collagen breakdown, pigmentation, and the skin thinning that makes aging hands look translucent. Most women apply sunscreen to their face every morning. Almost none apply it to their hands. Supergoop Handscreen SPF 40, around $22. A water-resistant, non-greasy SPF 40 formulated specifically for hands, designed to survive hand washing better than a standard facial sunscreen. The formula contains meadowfoam seed oil and vitamin E alongside the sun filters. Necessaire the Hand Retinol addresses what has already happened to your hands. Supergoop Handscreen prevents it from continuing. Every dermatologist referenced in this comparison would tell you the sunscreen is the more important product. 7 hand creams. 5 criteria. The winner costs $38, and the most important product for aging hands is something most women never think to use. Drop in the comments, what are you currently using on your hands? And after this comparison, are you keeping it or switching?